much brighter the brights are with the low beam LED lights. I wasn't expecting this much of a difference, dramatic improvement. I can actually see at night with these tinted front windshield. You can find the RCJ LED light bulb by Rimthin on rimthin.com, or go to Amazon and they will be able to help you out there as well. Our original standard halogen light pattern. Driving at night with our standard halogen headlights. Brights, low beam. Recently, I had a company reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out some LED light bulbs for my Ram 2500, and it's the projection style headlight, which they make bulbs for projection and non-projection. I've been running these Silver Star Ultras and they've been okay, but about once a year they go out on me and I have to replace them. But RCJ Lighting sent me these LED bulbs. So let's open them up and check them out, shall we? So they come with a user manual. They're boxed very nicely in a styrofoam packaging. Let's see on the user manual, what is there to learn? Product diagram, installation. It's got an LED chip. But as you can see, that's the diagram, and it's interesting. It has a chip in there, and supposedly, yeah, a fan. So it's got a chip and a fan built into this LED bulb. Other than all that I just explained to you, it looks pretty straightforward. Obviously, you want to wear some gloves and keep them as oil-free especially from your hand oils, as much as possible. So here is the bulb itself, and it looks very alien to me, but I'm really excited to see how it works. So to remove the old bulb, you just press up on the tab to release the clip, then you just twist and pull out. Nothing wrong with that bulb right there. So we'll put it over here with the other bulb, and then we'll just take this RCJ LED light, and then you'll see the tabs that correspond with the tabs here. And all you do is just line those up and twist until it locks. They are arranged in such a way that you have to have it in the right tab, so you cannot screw it up. All right, once the bulb is positioned, then you just click the harness on, and voila, you're ready to put the cover back on and reinstall it into your truck. Then you just reinstall everything in the reverse order as we uninstall it. Make sure that the coupler sets correctly. The wiring harness goes back in place. Okay. And as you can see, there is quite a bit of difference between the left and right headlight. All right, so as you can see, we installed the RCJ LED bulb in the right-hand headlight. We left a Sylvania Silver Ultra in the left-hand light. Big difference. If you can't see that, you need to get some glasses. Wow! That's a difference. A huge positive difference. Definitely brighter. With the new LED low beam bulbs, when I turn the brights on, it makes it twice as much brightness than what it was with the regular halogen lights. Now I can see, even with these tinted front windshield that I had difficulty seeing before. So dramatic improvement. Obviously we're comparing LEDs to halogen, but I think you get the idea that LED is the way to go. Now with not sure why it affects the brights so much, other than maybe just the white light. On Rimthin.com, you can input the make, year, and model of your vehicle, and it will match you up with the correct LED light bulbs that's just right for you. RCJ light bulbs by Rimthin.com with LED and a built-in fan. I'm a fan. You will be too if you purchase some of these. I'm sure of it. Get your Rimthin LED headlight bulbs for your vehicle. Definitely will help you see better at night and under all different conditions. 50,000 hours lifespan guarantee. Super easy to install versus the competition, and it's waterproof as well. Go check out Rimthin.com to find out if they have the bulb for your vehicle.